Hey, I'm Russ, and today we are excited to present this amazing investment opportunity in one of the most sought-after neighborhoods in San Jose, the Cambrian.
I'm Ronnie Cope, and this fully renovated duplex has identical 3-bed, 2-bath units that have open floor plans that combine the kitchen, living, and family room areas.
That's right, nothing was spared on a recent renovation. From studs out, the property has brand new plumbing, brand new electrical and roof, new HVAC with air conditioning, and beautifully designed interior and grounds. Come on in for a tour with us and see for yourself.
Thank you for touring this amazing investment property with us today. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a private tour, contact us directly.
We look forward to working with you and have an amazing day.